Below trading is closed on August 14th, 2018. We had some targets from yesterday's patterns, but I said they were so close they weren't worth trading. I thought there was a good chance for an ABC, with C being today's up move. And I admitted it was a guess, but the guess turned out to be correct. During the day, MEJT said higher prices would print, which they did. Said this drop wouldn't stick and this rally wouldn't stick. There's nothing for tomorrow. These patterns have not printed in their preferred time. These numbers have not printed within their preferred time frame, but they should still print. And this optional target we'll just forget. Well, tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. It doesn't mean it won't gap up first. And if we don't gap up first, this is real trouble. When you have this pattern, which is supposed to close near the day's high, and we don't, it leads to further weakness. Now, tomorrow's open is a surrogate for today's close. So if we open up here, everything else I'm going to say goes out the window and there's no call. And it's not impossible that we gap up here. There's, according to someone else, this is hearsay, but according to someone else, there's a very well-known trader who has a rule that was triggered today that says tomorrow, after this pattern, will always be up. Now, I haven't tested it. I don't know if it's true. I didn't read it from this guy myself, but he's pretty good. So if he's right and we gap up, there's nothing negative about the pattern. But if we don't gap up and take out these highs, this is real trouble. We rallied all day long, couldn't take out these highs or this high or this high. Here's the web count. If that's 1, here's your ABC. You've got beautiful fib ratios right at this high. And although I don't think it's ready for wave 3, because if we drop here in a straight line, you do have support right at the low. And it wouldn't surprise me if that support held. You also have what could be interpreted as a cup with a handle sloping up. It's a negative pattern. The target is to retrace the whole up move. Someone can tell me this isn't a cup. I'm not going to argue. But that's what I think this is. Even a straight line with something sloping up is not a healthy pattern. It tends to retrace. So if we gap up, as this other trader says we will, we've overcome strong resistance. But if we don't, there's a whole lot of stuff that says we're going to have practically a straight line move down, challenging these recent lows. That's today's call.